Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today we're on Third Road Pattaya. Just down there on the left opposite is Soilenki. We'll take you straight down Soy Bacau, Soy Diana, and I've come to have a look at this. I saw this a short while ago, and it is a very, very quirky little shop. I've had a chat. We're going to go in and show you around. If you've got a man cave or a bar or restaurant business, there's some fantastic stuff in here that you could show off as a little promo thing. So let's have a look. It says push, so I'll pull. Sorry mate. Why so serious? It's also an antique shop, but they have so much quirky bits and pieces. For business, for restaurants. I even got an Alni, look. The old Elvis there. They've got stuff big and small. Sort of something for every size room. They've even got a Donald. Marilyn. Lots of bits and bobs, bits and pieces. When Smith and Wesson talks, people listen. Oh yeah. But some great stuff for bars, restaurants. Jessica. Yep, that's Jessica. I'm guessing he's been in there a while. Push me, pull me scooter. It's quite an amazing shop to walk around. They do have another one opposite that we're going to go over and have a quick look at. Get your eggs here. You need to walk around it. There's lots of bits and pieces. I mean, if you've got a pizza restaurant, people like these quirky things in bars and restaurants. This is the antiques part. The gentleman said there was he's got a bit large delivery coming next month, so of what I don't know. Prices, I'm guessing, are negotiable. They do have another shop opposite. Let's have a quick look. Yeah. What do you reckon? It's quite unbelievable. It's quite a large shop.
Oh, what the hell?
What are you doing here?
No, I found out.
I found this first. No, I'm going to have to hurry up here and get it out before him. But there really is.
I already did it.
You've done it?
I already did it.
I had it quicker than you. God damn it. Look at that. Bare knuckles. There's lots. And mind the step. Yeah. There is so much stuff here. Another Marilyn with a dress up. For outside, you got a bakers or whatever. It's all for promotional. Pasta on the fork, lots and lots of bits and pieces, all for promotional, well, promoting. Ice cream shop. It's an amazing shop, it really is. I've just got to get it out before Rob. That'll pee him off. All life size. Anyway. What a quirky little shop. Well, if you've got a restaurant, a bar business, or stuff for a man cave, your little den at home, there's so much. Well worth coming to have a look. Third road, just at the end of Soe Lenki, and turn right, it's along on the right hand opposite. Worth having a look, it really is. Anyway, I hope you've liked it. It's different. I do like different. And not that different. Easy. So if you like it, give it a like, a thumbs up and a share. Subscribe, why not? And we'll see you soon. Thank you very much for watching. What do you reckon, Rob?
Trump lookalikes, okay?
That cool. Bye bye.
30% off, 20% off.